welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I got from BH Cosmetics during one of their online sales. So I bought a bunch of stuff. You guys have seen a lot of hauls from me recently. I went a little bit crazy on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but there was such good deals. So I did check out makeup, and I have not bought makeup in a really long time. So all of this is like years in the making. So I really wanted to get some of the stuff while it was on sale so I could try it out. And yeah, so let's get into the stuff I got from BH Cosmetics. First of all, I got one of their brush sets. So this is their Marble Luxe 10-piece brush set. This was on sale. It was marked down significantly from the regular price. And this is what the brushes look like. They're really, really gorgeous. Marble with rose gold kind of ferrule here, and they're supposed to be really, really soft because it's their Luxe line. Oh yeah, this feels fantastic. This is going to be a beautiful face brush, and they're nice and heavy. I expected them to be a little bit like cheapy, but BH Cosmetic brushes are really, really good. I recommend them big time. I recommend them over Morphe brushes, to be honest, because I've only had trouble with Morphe brushes. I tend to get a lot of shedding and stuff, and with BH Cosmetics brushes, I don't get that problem, and these are a lot cheaper. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking for any new brushes. Next up, I got one of these eyeshadow palettes. This is the Nouveau Neutrals 26 color shadow and blush palette. I was really excited to get this because this was another item that was like 50% off or something. This is what the palette looks like. It is white on the outside, and then you pop it open and you have all your shades here. These are such beautiful colors in here. I'm going to do some swatches. So that is the pigmentation of these shadows. So, so good. I love BH Cosmetics. This is one of the first like online makeup places I ever bought makeup from other than e.l.f. So I really have like a nostalgia for BH Cosmetics, and I think their quality is outstanding. So I got another eyeshadow palette as well because I've been eyeing this for a very long time. This is their Foil Eyes palette. So it's all foiled eyeshadows. Oh, they look so pretty just on my finger. Oh, gorgeous. I'm so glad I got this. Absolutely beautiful, great pigmentation. They feel really buttery and blendable. I'm so excited about this. And then I did get a free eyeshadow palette for ordering, and that's this one. This is the Midnight Affair 16 color eyeshadow palette. I might give this away, so I'm not going to swatch it. And that's what this looks like. It's like a mini little shadow palette. Probably going to do this for a giveaway that I'll have coming up of a bunch of products. And then I got the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke palette. Again, another eyeshadow palette. This one was just calling my name so much that I had to pick it up. Look how beautiful this packaging is. And I love the shades in here. So I'm really into blue eyeshadows. It's just a thing that I like. So I decided to try this one out. Oh, they look so good just on the finger swatch. These are a little bit dusty, but the pigmentation is amazing again. So excited for all of these. So now moving on from eyeshadow, I got some other products. I got some lashes. These are the false lashes in the style D302. I just thought they were really pretty and wispy, and they were having a sale obviously on certain lashes. So I also got two of their Studio Pro full coverage concealers, one in the shade Pink, which is like more of a color correcting concealer, and the one in the shade 100.5, which is, I'm pretty sure their fairest one. But I really wanted to try these out because I've heard great things about their concealers and how good they are. I also got one of their dip brows in the shade Caramel, which is probably not my hair shade at all, but it's the only shade that they had left. Yeah, probably a little bit light for me, but we'll see. Because I really wanted to try it, and it was on super sale. I think they were $2. Then I also got one of the eye lights, which is one of their like metallic eyeshadow products. And this one is in the shade, does not say. I'm not sure what shade it is, but it's a beautiful silver eyeshadow. And this was again another product that was really marked down. Then I got two of my absolute favorite brow pencils. These are the HD Studio Brow Pencils. They look like this. I rave about these constantly. Really, really fine tipped pencils. Absolutely beautiful for creating those really defined brow hairs on your face. Love it. I got 3 brushes. The first one is their pointed crease brush number 5. And it looks like this. I love BH Cosmetic brushes. The kit that I got did come with some eye brushes, but I wanted their more kind of specific eye brushes because I'm looking for more blending brushes. This next one is their tapered blending brush, which looks really nice. Like that. And the last one I got is their blending crease brush. So I was looking for more of the blending kind of brushes. That's what this one looks like. And then lastly, I got 3 of their liquid lipsticks. The first one is in the shade Samantha. It's a really pretty bright pink. I will swatch it on my hand quick. Oh, that's beautiful. Totally my kind of color. It's a bright pinky purple. The next one is the shade Sophia, which is more of a neutral kind of nudie pink. Right there. And then the last one is actually a liquid linen, which is a long-lasting lip color. It's just a different kind of one. And this is in the shade Martha. This is more of a nude pink. And that's what that one looks like. So that is all the stuff that I got from BH Cosmetics during one of their sales. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you would like to see me do a full face of BH Cosmetics products, I would be happy to do that. Just let me know, leave me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below and I would be happy to do that for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and have a great day.